What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Beamer Barn. In today's episode, we are going to be changing the headlights on my E39 M5 Wagon. Probably the most requested thing that I've seen in the comments from you guys is you guys telling me to get rid of these cheap eBay looking headlights that I've had for a year and a half now, basically, or since we got the car running, we've had these, poor looking headlights. And I don't have anything against them. Personally, they kind of grew on me, but at the end of the day, I think that the better looking headlight is going to be like a standard Euro style, like original looking headlight. And I got some of these off of my 528i, so we're finally going to be changing them out today, installing some nice Euro looking OEM headlights. And we're going to be going to a car show, Cars and Coffee of Central Florida, tomorrow. They have a event, I think every month, where they just have like a lot of like exotics, Asian, European, as well as American cars. Just a big old car show. It's going to be tomorrow morning, and we're going to head down there with the M5 Wagon with new headlights and a fresh wash. And I think that we're going to pop the hood and maybe just hang out at the car show. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and let's go ahead and get right to work on the car. Luckily, my car already has the facelift harnesses, which are required when you're installing facelift headlights, because the connector for the turn signal is different between pre-LCI and LCI E39. So we already have these connectors. They came with the car, luckily. Otherwise, we'd have to buy them or make them ourselves. But now we're ready to install the new headlights. Alright, so now we've got our headlights installed, and can I say that they are looking mighty fine. And the car is fully washed. I went and rebuffed the fenders here because they started getting hazy again. I think that the clear coat on them is kind of like some cheaper clear coat, same as like the rear bumper and the rear spoiler as well, and it starts to fade with the UV from the sun. But the car is fully clean and running good, and I can't wait to bring it out to the show tomorrow. So in the next clip, you're gonna see us driving down there, and then hopefully we see a ton of cool BMWs. So here we are at the Orlando Cars and Coffee. There's a ton of cars out here. $5 to get in, and you get to be among some of the coolest cars in the Central Florida area. I hope you guys are enjoying some of the things that we're seeing, and I know that I love the way these new headlights look. And of course we have to pop the hood when the car's at the car show because we want people to know what's inside of it. Hopefully it just keeps people away from the rear end because I'm missing a badge. I have a cracked license plate bracket. Just, it is not the prettiest back here. We definitely need to put some attention on the rear end here. Is it? Oh, yeah, you're right, my bad. This one?
That one's up.
We're just looking at this beautiful M340i right here, and this thing is huge. I think we both thought that it was a 5 Series just because of how big it is. But it's beautiful. Maybe someone can say what color this is. I don't think it's a wrap. I think this is the paint code or the paint color, but look at the depth in that color. Beautiful. Well, I just got this intake off of my small block Chevy truck, and well, the hood wouldn't fit, so I just
I had to take it off.
I had to take it off. I had to take the hood off. Racing bucket seats. It is beautiful. It looks like you're ready to like go to work in this thing. so we're heading out from the meet now, and it was a really good turnout, a lot of cool cars, met a lot of cool people, and I think we had a good time. So we're gonna head out now, and then we'll be home in a second. So that's going to conclude our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us install those headlights on my wagon. Let me know if I waited too long to install those things. And then we had a great time at the car show just now. Saw a ton of cool BMWs as well as other cars as well. They had a big mix of supercars, American cars, BMWs, and a ton of cool paint jobs and cool colors that gives me inspiration for what I want to paint and wrap my cars coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite part was, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new and you haven't yet. As always, I hope everyone has an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.